Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market and Greenhouses. And behind me, you can see a bunch of Boston Ferns. So I thought I would give you some quick tips for caring for your Boston Fern. Boston Ferns prefer bright, indirect sunlight. That makes them the perfect porch plant. They need moist, but not overly wet soil. If you have them on your porch, watering them a couple times a week until the water drains out the bottom is just right for them. When it comes to fertilizing them, I recommend using a granular, time-released fertilizer. In the wild, they use these tendrils to reproduce by a process basically like cloning. So they'll send out a shoot, and from that, a new little baby fern will start to grow. So it is genetically identical to the parent plant. And actually, all of these, when we get them in as starts, it says right on the packaging that they're clone grown. Of course, fern reproduction, it's a little bit more complex than that. The ferns that you're seeing are a phase of growth called the sporophyte phase. So these will produce spores, and then those spores produce what are called gametophytes. And the gametophytes are what actually do the sexual reproduction for ferns. So they have two different phases of plant growth. Yeah, plant sex is pretty weird. For this and other great information, visit us online at pubsmarket.com.